guys, I'm back. So today I'm doing a very high demand video, and it is how I get my shing, my eyeliner to sound like that, like a Japanese sword, because that is how Japanese swords sound like. But yeah guys, I'm doing a eyeliner tutorial. So before we get into that, here's what you'll need. You'll need some eyeliner. It can be liquid eyeliner, it can be gel eyeliner. So with the gel eyeliner, you would just need a very skinty angled brush. It has to be a little bit dense. So if it's a little flimsy, I don't know how that's gonna work for you, but if you make it work, then flourish. Or you just need a regular schmegular liquid eyeliner from the Bronx. I'm joking, it can be from anywhere. Mine is Wet n Wild, the H2O proof eyeliner. I think it was like $2. It does the job basically. You also will need, any little concealer or even your foundation, really any type of cream base. And then you will need another angled brush like so to clean up, and you'll see how I do that later on. You can also use some tape, is really good. I don't really like the tape method because I kind of do my eyeliner last. So, you know, my foundation's already on. Ain't nobody got time for foundation to be peeling off, you know? But whatever floats your boat. If you've done tape before, then do tape. Let's get this started. Oh, pause, hold up. I know I was not about to forget to let you guys know not to play me. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit the little notification bell so you can know when I upload these videos. Just if you just feeling all the way, like you just feeling loosey goosey, then give this video a like. Go ahead, it doesn't hurt. Press the like button. You know, let me know if I'm doing what you like. If you don't like it, press a thumbs down. I don't care, press a button. Now that we got that out of the way, if you would like to see how I do my eyeliner, then please keep on watching. Boom. The first place I like to start, hold up. This ring is blocking my blessings, y'all. We need to, okay, that's better. So the first thing I like to do is kind of do a line just to guide how big my wing is gonna be. I'm doing very, very gentle strokes. And as I get to the end of the line, I release pressure even more. Now we're gonna take it down and back in. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just line the rest of my eye and connect it to that other part that we already did. We should have something that looks like this. Now all you really have to do is just fill it in. Don't mind the New York sound effects. This is just what it is to live in New York. So we have this. I feel like it can be a little more neat. So now I'm gonna spruce up the edges a bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit right here because I feel like it's missing. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer, and then you see this little piece from here to here, it's not as straight as I want it to be. So I'm going to just make another line to make it a little bit more straight. So then you'll end up with something like this, but we're not done just yet. So now I'm gonna grab some concealer. Usually you want a concealer that kind of sets itself, like a matte concealer. So I'm gonna grab my angled brush. This is the Morphe M160. So now I'm just gonna make a small little line, cleaning up. I'm going against the liner, and I'm gonna drag it down a little bit so it can be more blendable. And then it's gonna blend. That looks pretty good to me. Sometimes I want to make it even more sharp because I don't know who I'm trying to get with this liner, but and I just go over top of it. This is a little harder. It's a little on expert level or medium level. And then I just blend that out very, very gently so I don't ruin my shadow. And there you have it. There is a wing. For a more dramatic wing, I would just keep adding on. This one is longer than this one. So let's say you have issues matching your eyeliner. So what you're gonna do, this can go left real quick. So you guys need to have a really light hand when it comes to eyeliner, because then you're gonna end up looking like a panda. Ain't nobody got time for that. But I wanna get the thin side like I did this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little teeny bit more from the top. Let me get my mirror. Very gently, I'm just gonna add one little line on the top. And then I'm gonna follow that line all the way out. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. Pretty sharp, don't you think? And remember, everything in life takes practice. It's not going to look like this your first try unless you were gifted and blessed. Y'all are still blessed, but a little extra blessed. Practice a lot in the mirror whenever you have a chance, whenever you just want to play in makeup. Practice. You don't need the most expensive tools to get your eyeliner sharp. This literally cost me $2. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Comment down below what you want to see next. See any new looks? Do you have anything in mind? You know, let me know. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want so I can give it to you. Boom. Instagram, Twitter, DM me. You know, it's okay. Slide in my DMs. All right. Later, y'all. When you look at your coffee, that's when you know it's good. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. How many hey y'alls? Hey y'all. I don't like this color. Are you doing anything? Oh no, looks like a blood scene. Ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah.